Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to go over new releases. New releases will be tomorrow. Yes, so this video is going up on Thursday. New releases will be Friday, July 7th at 3 p.m. That's like my typical release time. There will be changes this release, and that's kind of what we're going to go over today. There's actually going to be a lot of changes. And one of those changes, we're just going to jump right into it, will be the freebie system. So before I would do, let me see if I have one. I think I can pull out a past kit. If you're new here, before, my freebies included just like a little matching supplement to the kit if you purchased the bundle. So that is what we were doing, and I made a change to the kits so that those things were already included in a third sheet, which we'll go over a little bit later. But for right now, here are the freebies, and I kind of set it up in a new way. This is a freebie that you could potentially get that I actually really love. This is printed on normal sticker paper, but I put this really pretty glitter overlay over it so it feels more like a vinyl sticker. It is removable, but it's this little planner, and I think it's so cute. So this is one of the things. I think with freebies you'll get maybe like 2 with every order. I'm not sure, but this is one that you could potentially get. It's gonna kind of be like a randomized thing now. Here are 2 other options. So this one, they are like these die cut desk scenes, and I'm not like labeling them because yeah, there's just no need, although I might label something else you'll see in a minute. And this is kind of like a movie themed one. I use these stickers all the time, so yeah, those are some like generic ones. And then I created this system, and I'm really excited about it. So these are going to change every season. This is the autumn season, or the autumn freebie set. So these are the Hobonichi cousins. So this is where I made a Hobonichi cousin in a standard set so that, I don't know, like my thought process was that if you order the Hobonichi cousin kits, you will get, or even the Hobonichi weeks, like you'll get this, but I guess it doesn't really make sense. So maybe you'll just get whatever. I don't know. I guess I haven't really thought that through very much, but my original thought process was that I guess maybe the Hobonichi weeks you'll get more of the generic, but for the Hobonichi cousin, you could get any of these. They are sized for the Hobonichi cousin, and this is my like rainbow colorway for autumn. So you have the, what are those, the scallop boxes, you have these little to-do list header things, you have these, which are some of my favorite stickers to use to cover the dates in the Hobonichi cousin. So they're just little date dots, some grayed out ones, and then like one of that autumn fall colorway that I created. Here is like, this is kind of a generic one as well, but my icons. And then these are the new Hobonichi cousin date covers that I wanted to try out. So maybe we can go into there and kind of test them out together. But if you collect them all, you should be able to create a really cute like color block spread. So that was my thought process, and they will be here for the whole autumn season, even though it's, oh yeah, it's summer. Oh yeah, because this release is for September, which is fall. So I was like, okay, wait a minute, it just turned summer. But as like with each release, I think I'll add more, like I'll design more of the generic freebies, but these will also be in the mix. And then these are for the standard kit, so these 2 are the same, but then you have the standard date headers and then the 1.5 with boxes. So that will be my little like freebie setup. You won't be able to request them again. It'll be like a randomized thing that I just kind of grab. But let's try out those new headers because I'm actually really excited and I haven't even tried them out yet. So here's this current week. And I didn't for this release, but I am planning to change my date covers over because of a change that I will be making to my lineup soon. So that is how they'll look. And yeah, they just kind of line up with that. So perfect. I actually really like those headers. Yeah. Oh, and there's those dots. So that's kind of what the dots will look like. All right. So that is the freebies. And now we can get into the new releases and kind of we'll talk through the changes. So here is September, and this is the first change that we're making. So this is my September monthly for the Hobonichi Cousin. And this will be the only monthly kit I offer in my shop. So I actually technically haven't sold a single monthly kit yet in my shop. I'm only going to list this because this is what I personally use. So it's not really going to take much for me to just list this, but I need to downsize what I'm posting in my shop because I know I'm still so new, so it's not something that I'm expecting to be this huge shop. I just think I jumped in a little too heavy too soon. So I'm going to downsize and I will be carrying the monthly kit. So this is for September, and this will be the only one. I know I said I would offer the back to school. Let me know if you would purchase. You know what? No. Okay, no. There just needs to be enough, like, want for a thing for me to add it to the shop. So moving on, if I don't get enough interest in a certain kit or a certain layout, then I'm not going to add it to my shop. So unfortunately, that is where I'm at, but this will be in the shop. This is my September monthly kit for the Hobonichi Cousin, and I love how this turned out. It's so cute. This is called Autumn Leaves, and I just think the colorway is so perfect for fall. So there is our only monthly, and then I know I said I'm downsizing. I did create a new layout. Okay, no, we're not getting into that yet. Let me see here. I did make a change to this kit. So this is my Hobonichi Cousin kit. So these two pages are still the same. Look at these headers. I freaking love them so much. They turned out so, so cute. It says Falling Leaves and Autumn Breeze. Oh yeah, so this is called Autumn Breeze, not Autumn Leaves, sorry. And then this cute little Hello Fall there. I love the colorway. So these are still the same, but I think next release I'm going to rework this and include the new full, like, date covers. Just for me personally. Because, I mean, that's kind of how I always created my kits, or what I needed out of a kit, you know? So, yeah, this is my favorite full box, I think. I really love that. So, this is Autumn Breeze, and then this is the new sheet that I added. So, you can buy this as a bundle or individually, and then this is an individual add-on that you can purchase with the kit. And it's like a little... This is called my functional sheet, so I'll probably call this my supplemental add-on. And I really love it. So I added 6 more of these. There's a 7th there, and you will be able to have one of those for each. I added habit trackers, which was requested, and of course something that I kind of had already been thinking about. These dots, let's see. These, I really love these, and I did not want to let them go, so I added them. 4 sets of them, and of course our sidebar. So really love this kit. This is perfect to me, and I'm really excited to use this. I love how this came out. Again, like, it's just so gorgeous. Also, you're not going to be able to, that's another thing, I'm not printing and cutting every kit to show you guys in this video. So I am only printing the things that I know I will use. So you will not be able to see the Hobonichi Weeks or the standard in this kit because sometimes I don't sell a kit and I just have it sitting there. So I am a made to order shop, and I don't want to waste sticker paper. So you will be able to see the digital renderings of those kits when I post them later today. They will be up later tonight, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But this is the Autumn Breeze kit in the Hobonichi Cousin, which it'll also be available in the standard, which I created this sheet for the standard kit as well. And then there'll still be the 2-page Hobonichi Weeks kit available. And then our new kit that I am just like gushing over because I love how it turned out. So I had been wanting to create a journaling kit for some time, and I finally tried my hand at it, and I love how it turned out. So this is journaling kit 1, and it is for the Autumn Breeze. So I started the counting over. So this is page 1. I love how it turned out. So many cute boxes. I love this little frame. This little Hello Fall is individual, and then I still wanted, most people don't use like the full boxes, but I still, when I'm using a journaling kit, which I actually, fun fact, have never used one. This will be my first time and I'm really excited. But I still wanted full boxes. I just think full boxes creates a spread. I still kept my weekend banner, and yeah, this is the second page, and these are like the frames and boxes. Really, really cute, and they're in the same colorway. Sorry if my lighting's not the best, but it's a pretty gloomy day today. And then this is the third page, which is the torn edges page, and I really, really love this. So yeah, this will also be available, and I'm really excited to get your guys' reaction to this kit. I already shared it with Yvette, and she kind of hyped me up, so I'm excited, and yeah, enough about that, but I'm really, really loving this kit. And honestly, like this and this, in my mind, like this kit and this page, because you can buy this separate, I feel like would just create the most perfect spread. So really excited to try that out. And that is everything for Autumn Breeze. The next new kit, the mini kit 7, is called Floral Pumpkins. And here is that little supplemental sheet. And I love how this sidebar, or like the weekly overview, weekly tracker box turned out. I don't know. I tried something a little different. And here she is. So it says, autumn is a second spring where every leaf is a flower. And I just really thought that that fit this kit perfectly. So yeah, here's the little pumpkin headers. Really love both of these kits for this month. It was really hard to create this kit. The first one was perfect, and I almost didn't have a second kit, and then I was able to piece this together, and I really love how it turned out. So yeah, I'm happy. So that is the Hobonichi Cousin kit, and again, it will be available in the standard weekly kit as well as the Hobonichi Weeks, and you'll see the digital renderings tonight. But I do have the journaling kit ready to show you guys, and I pieced that quote together here on one full box instead of two, just for the sake of the kit. But I really love, just, oh, so cute. So there is that first page, which is kind of, I don't know, like the main page. Here's the frames and boxes. And then we have the torn edges. Love that. So yeah, definitely let me know about all the new things, like your views on them. I'm really excited. I just, you know, I don't want to downsize, but I have to kind of go with what is selling. And I am so new that it just wasn't making sense to continue going full force, you know? I just need to take baby steps. So really excited on what I'm offering, and the new, definitely let me know your thoughts on the new like freebie system. And I don't know, I think this is good changes, all good things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're excited. Again, let me know down in the comments section below your thoughts, opinions. They really do mean the world to me. So thank you guys so much again, and yeah, be on the lookout for the digital rendering photos that I will be posting tonight. That's all for me, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.